Hey there, it is Greyhound, and this is my entry for Docmachina's 420 giveaway. Great channel, great content. I've been having a good time getting caught up. So you wanted us to pick a green lock. So hey, here's a green lock. And why don't we do it with a green pick? Christmas colors, right? I got my red, my greens. And ooh, that was rough this morning. So since we did that, why don't we try our hands at a green belt lock as well. We'll just double tag it. And there we are. Hey, thanks again. Great channel. Talk to you later.